dazzling kingdom of Solara, where the sun kissed the golden hills and flowers bloomed in every color imaginable, there lived a royal family known for their warmth and generosity. Queen Amara and King Leo ruled with love, but they had one daughter, Princess Alara, who felt the weight of the crown heavily upon her. Alara was bright and spirited, with dreams that sparkled as brightly as the stars. Unlike her parents, who had mastered the art of diplomacy and governance, Alara longed for adventure and discovery. She often sneaked away from the castle, wandering the sunlit fields and enchanted forests, where she listened to the whispers of the wind and the stories of the birds. One day, while exploring a hidden grove, Alara stumbled upon an ancient stone archway entwined with ivy and blooming jasmine. Curious, she stepped through and found herself in a breathtaking realm bathed in twilight, a land known as Luminara. Here, the stars twinkled like diamonds, and mythical creatures roamed freely. At the heart of this land was a shimmering lake that reflected the constellations above. As Alara marveled at the beauty around her, she met a young starlight sprite named Nia. With wings that shimmered like moonbeams, Nia was curious about Alara's world and dreams. They quickly became friends, sharing laughter and stories under the stars. One evening, Nia revealed that Luminara was in trouble. A shadowy creature called the Gloom Weaver had stolen the light from the lake, causing the stars to fade and threatening to plunge their realm into eternal darkness. Without hesitation, Alara vowed to help restore the light. Together, they devised a plan. To defeat the Gloom Weaver, Alara needed to gather the lost fragments of light scattered across Luminara. With Nia as her guide, they embarked on a journey through enchanted forests, crystal caves, and majestic mountains, overcoming challenges and encountering magical beings along the way. Each fragment of light they found was a piece of hope, a luminous flower that glowed with joy, a crystal that sparkled with laughter, and a feather that shimmered with dreams. As they collected these fragments, Alara discovered her own inner strength and courage. Finally, they confronted the Gloom Weaver in a dark cavern. The creature, shrouded in shadows, attempted to extinguish their hope. But Alara, fueled by the light of friendship and the courage she had gained, stepped forward and spoke from her heart. Light cannot be extinguished by darkness. Together, we shine brighter. As her words resonated, the gathered fragments of light burst forth, illuminating the cavern and banishing the Gloom Weaver's shadows. The darkness dissipated, and Luminara was filled with radiant light once more. With the lake restored, the stars twinkled brightly in gratitude. Alara and Nia celebrated with the creatures of Luminara, and Alara felt a sense of fulfillment she had never known before. When she returned to Solara, she brought with her not just stories of adventure, but the realization that true leadership comes from embracing one's passions and the strength found in friendship. Queen Amara and King Leo welcomed her back with open arms, proud of the brave princess who had brought light not only to a distant realm but also to her own heart. From that day on, Alara became known as the Princess of Light, leading her kingdom with courage, compassion, and a spark of adventure, ensuring that Solara always shone brightly in the hearts of its people.